Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Character AI can't log in. If you are facing the login issue, you're not able to log into your Character AI account. So what you can do is open the Character AI website first, and then you can right click anywhere on the website and click on inspect. So a sidebar menu will open. You can expand this menu as much as you can. From here, all you have to do is go to the application, click on application tab. From here, you have to go to the storage section. Click on storage, and you have to make sure that cache storage is selected. If it's not selected, you have to select that option. Once you're done, all you have to do is click this single button called Clear Site Data. Once you select this button, all of the site data will be, you can say, reset, or it will be refreshed. So after that, you can close this inspect tab and try logging in once again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix Character AI cannot log in error. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.